Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you make and modify park reservations for eligible park tickets and Magic Key passes. Whether you are planning your first visit or changing your travel dates, you can manage your reservations directly from the app, subject to reservation availability. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to make and change a park reservation in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for planning your Disneyland visits. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app. Okay, so open the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account, and make sure your park ticket or Magic Key Pass is linked to your account. Okay, so make a new park reservation. Like to create a reservation, tap the plus button or open the planning menu. Okay, so as you can see here, select make a park reservation or park reservation. Okay, as you can see here, choose the tickets or Magic Key Pass or passes you want to use. Okay, so you will be taken to the reservation calendar after that. So as you can see here, okay, choose your visit date in park. Okay, so next select an available date from the calendar. Choose your start in park if prompt. Okay, review your reservation details and tap confirm. Okay, so your park reservation will be created and you will be receive a confirmation. After that, view your existing reservations. Like if you have already made a reservation, open the park reservations or make plans section, look at the reservation you would like to manage, and you can change a park reservation by that. Like to modify an existing reservation, select the reservation you want to change, tap modify reservation, and choose the guest included in the change if prompted. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.